Hello there, it's Christian at Grantham's in Retford. So today I'm going to be showing you a 2022 Knaus Sport and Fun Black Selection. So we'll start off by taking a good look on the outside of the caravan. This is a special edition, the Black Selection. So you've got to find some black trims, some grey and black decals around the caravan. You've also got the special black and silver Knaus logo as well. Now at the front of the caravan here, you've got your Alco stabiliser with your hitch, your 13-pin Continental socket, jockey wheel, handbrake as well. Now, really stylish looking front. You've got sort of a sort of carbon fibre finish on the plastic front there. And then you've also got a window to the front as well. Now, it's quite a large sort of teardrop shape. So we'll come round now to the near side. Now, you've got a huge door here. That's because you've got your fixed bed to the front of this caravan. And there's a load of garage/storage space under there. Now, going a bit further back, you've got a nice black, what looks like a window, but it's just a bit of trim. It's purely aesthetic. And then you've got a window next to that. You've got your inlet there for your onboard water tank. And then you've got these stylish black alloys. So you've got your vents for your fridge. There's one right up there and down there, because as you'll see when we get inside, it's a really, really large fridge. You've got these corner caps as well. And then on the bottom, if you can see there, you've got your awning rail in black and then white everywhere else. So coming round to the rear of the caravan, there is a really wide door onto the back. You've got that plastic trim from the front coming to the back as well, so where your lights are held down here and up above as well. You've got an awning light there fitted just above the door. And then you've got some ladders, because at the top of the caravan, which I'm going to show you now, you'll be able to see that you can sort of hold things up there, paddle boards, things like that. But yeah, we'll get to that in a moment. So here I am on the roof of the caravan. Gives a good view of the site here. But anyway, let's have a look. So we've got these roof bars on here, so it's great for sort of strapping things down. You've got your roof light just there, and as you can see, the curvature from the front of that front window. So I'll give you a good look there. There we have. So to add to the storage space inside the caravan, there's so much more storage space on the roof. So now we're just going to have a look at the offside. As you can see here, we've got the toilet cassette. It's a Dometic toilet cassette. There is a fill indicator on there to tell you when the toilet's full. And also, it's got an electric flush on there as well. And that's taken from the onboard water tank. So there's no need for a separate sort of filler cap there for your flush water. You've got the frosted window there for your bathroom as well. You've got an external television point just here. And then we've got another window there, and that's for the kitchen area. We've got the the two-piece door, it's a split door, with your awning light there just up above. And then there is another access hatch here, which again goes directly under the bed. And then we've got the inlet there for your gas. And that will bring us back round to the front of the caravan. Right then, let's get into the caravan and see what it has to offer. So just on the lower half of the door here, you've got a handy bin. You've got a little storage shelf there on the upper half, and a couple of coat hangers. Now we've got this brown wood finished vinyl. You've got the greys on all the sort of cabinets and things, and that sort of follows all the way around. You've got the special edition Black Selection upholstery. Got different greys going on there. Looks really stylish and modern. You've got your grey tabards here, and you've got some net curtains. All the windows are also fitted with blinds and fly screens. So you've got a storage hammer just up here. And then you've got your really comfortable fixed bed there with the headboard at the end, which sort of just slots into place. You can remove that, pop that on the bed, lift the bed up, clip it into place up here, and then you have so much storage space underneath the bed. So I'm just going to get the bed open now for you to have a look, and there we have it. So much storage, the most amount of storage I've seen on a caravan before. So there's your near side garage door just over there, and then your offside one just here, and that box just there is where your gas is housed. That grey cushion just there is so it goes on the table in the side dinette area to make up a bed also. So speaking of that area, let's have a look. So we've got a sort of swirly, marbly finished table. Now that table does just push down, and then that cushion that was under the seat then goes onto that table, and it makes up into a handy double bed. Now just here we've got a sort of storage unit as well, so you've got loads of storage under there. Works as a seat. Now when you're not using that seat, basically all you need to do, take that cushion off. We'll pop this into the storage like that, pop that down, and then it literally sits underneath the fridge here. So I'll just pop that in, and that hides away there. So if there's a couple of you, you probably won't need to pull that out. But say you want to fit 4 around the table, you've got a handy little seat. I suppose it could be used as a footstool as well if you like. Now let's have a look at the kitchen area. Plenty of cupboard space there, up above the 3 gas hobs. You've got a stainless steel tank, couldn't get my words out then, a stainless steel sink here, and then you've got your mixer tap just there. Couple of plug sockets under here, and then down below you've got 3 sets of drawers just here, and then you've got some more cupboard space. On the right hand side you've got a really large cupboard here with shelves, and then up here we have your TV point. So you can get aerials fitted to these. It's already sort of pre-wired in, but as you can see, you've got a couple of plug sockets there, and then we've got a bracket which basically just pulls out. So I can get the camera in a way. What I'll do is I'll just pop this down a second, and then I can slide this out. There we go. There you can see that it's come out there. That just slides straight back in. So let's go and have a look at the fridge. So as I was saying, on the outside where the vents are, it's a really tall fridge. So we'll get that open. You can see how much space is in there. Got a big freezer box there at the top, and you've got your shelving in the door and in the fridge. Got big wardrobe space just here. So if you do choose to have a TV aerial fitted, they've already told us where it should go, and it's up there. So that's your switch for your Trumatherm heating system. Now you can get that upgraded to an Ultra Store, so you've got both gas and electric there. But there's your heater. Now this is the rear door, so you've got a door at the back, a door at the side. This is also used as a motorcycle carrier, so you can get this with a ramp at the back, and then with the low tie eyes and motorcycle rack. So simply, it can be used as a caravan / motorcycle transporter. 2 birds, 1 stone comes into mind there. But let's have a look at the door. Now you've got a little bag here, a bit of a storage bag there, and then this I can only assume would be great for an umbrella. Now we'll get the back door open. And you can see how wide this door is and how much it opens out. So pretty much, if I take a few steps back, you'll see how big that door is. So like I said, you can have a ramp that sits underneath onto the chassis, just slides out, drops on top of that metal grid there. And the door has obviously got the upholstery scheme from the seating area on there as well, which I think is a really nice touch. Now, one of the most exciting things I'm here to show you is the wet room. So, little thing with the handle, I know, but you sort of open that up and you see the catch, it's actually stayed in. Sometimes what can happen is it pushes against the wood if it stays out, and it can cause a bit of damage. But actually, it's on a magnet, so as I sort of just push that in there we go, it magnetises itself back in. So, let's have a look inside. So, this is your wet room, so you've got your Dometic toilet here. You've got your little sink just there. Got a mirror up here. You'll be able to see me now. Hi. You've got a mirror up here with a bit of storage space inside there. Got a bit of cupboard space there below the sink, and handy toilet roll holder, always useful. And then you've got your shower head just here, so that will go up to the top. You've also got a rail up here. You pull that down, pop your wet clothes on there, so if anything like the British weather, just hang your wet jackets up, and then you won't be getting your caravan floor wet. Now you're probably thinking, where am I going to shower? There is no room in there. Well, something that I've not really seen before in a caravan. You pull this out, shower tray is right there. So this curtain pulls all the way around on the outside, and it comes all the way around you. So you don't have to worry about getting this area in here wet. Now, nobody likes it when a shower curtain sticks to you. It's got an air chamber fitted in the curtain. So when let's just pull this curtain out, and you can see sort of how it works. So I'm going to pull this out and round, and you'll see then it pulls it away from you, because shower curtains on your body feel horrible. So basically what you do is you'd get that round, you'd tuck this into the bottom of the shower tray. There we go, just making sure there's no water coming into the caravan. Get the shower head on, and we're done. So yeah, you get a really large sort of shower space, and because of the width of the door and the way that this caravan can be used, maybe not just for motorcycles, it can be used for mobility purposes as well. That door is really wide, and it allows lots of sort of space in there. So I'll get that all back and closed up. But that's about it, really. I mean, it's a fantastic caravan. You know, it's really unique to the caravan market. Sort of completely different to other things that you might see on the road. But if you've got any questions, you know, please don't hesitate to get in touch. My name's Christian. I'm here Wednesday through to Sunday, but we are open 7 days a week. You can give us a call whenever. 01777 838 193, option 1 through to sales. Now, we are always sort of getting stock of these. It's always worth checking that we have got stock before you make that journey. Now, we are situated just off the A1 between Doncaster and Newark, so we're really easy to get to. You can pop me an email. It's christian.pearson@granthamcaravans.co.uk. So thank you very, very much for watching the video of the 2022 Knaus Sport and Fun Black Edition, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Cheers now, bye.